Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Earlier in the course, we looked at sections and what we can do with them. Now let's take a closer look at customizing the sections of our notebooks. First, you can easily create a new section by clicking the Create a New Section tab in the notebook header. It's this small plus sign right here. Give that a click. The name of the tab will be highlighted, where you can just type in a new name and then press Enter on your keyboard. To move a section, click to select it and then drag it to a new desired location. As you click and drag, the small downward pointing black arrow there indicates the location of where the section will appear when you release your mouse. You can change the color of the section by right-clicking on the name of the section, scrolling down to Section Color, and then clicking to select your color choice from the side menu that appears. Now that same menu that appears when you right-click on a section name provides other options such as Delete to delete the section, and even Rename to give the section a new name, although that can also be accomplished by simply double-clicking on a section name and then typing the new name as well. Now there may be times, especially when you are collaborating or sharing notebooks with others, where you do not wish to make certain sections available to everyone. Perhaps a section contains sensitive information or personal or private material. In this case, you can password protect the section. To do so, right-click on the section name and then choose Password Protect this section from the menu that appears. And that will display the password protection pane that we see on the right-hand side. In the pane, click the Set Password button to open the Password Protection dialog box. Here, you enter your password exactly the same into both text boxes. And then to accept it, we would click OK. But before we do, make sure to take note of the warning in the dialog box. If you forget your password, OneNote cannot retrieve it for you. So you want to make sure to write it down, keep it in a safe place, but if you forget it, it's not going to be retrievable through OneNote. We'll click OK. Now the section is still unlocked until you click the Lock All button in the Password Protection pane to lock the section and apply the password that you set. Here's the Lock All button. Give that a click. Now once a section is locked, none of the content will be displayed when the section is clicked. You see that over here. And you'll see this message that says this section is password protected. It also says click here or press Enter to unlock this section. So we can click here, and that will open up the Protected Section dialog box. Here we'll need to enter our password and then click OK. Now we can access the information in this particular section. However, it is still locked. To remove password protection from a section, click the Remove Password button in the Password Protection pane. This time in the Remove Password dialog box, confirm the password and then click OK. Now the section will no longer be protected by a password. So that's how you password protect the different sections in your notebooks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.